Let me start off by saying that I collect a few batteries for projects. Some of these come out of wireless mice and little tiny flashlights. These flat lithium packs come out of laptop flat pack batteries, and of course an assortment of 18650 cells. And then I just break down the plastic, which is really not that difficult to do, and then repurpose the batteries, charge them, uncharge them, charge them, and make sure that they hold their power, check them in a month or two. And so I do have a little bit of a collection. There are some batteries in here. It's an extender, wireless extender, some other little cheap kind of flat packs. I will find uses for them. So what I ordered from AliExpress was a little camera, a Wi-Fi camera, and along with it for $1.280 or so came an 18650 flashlight. And this is a brand new 18650 cell, and I put it in there, and that's what this is for. It's for 18650 batteries, and I put that in there and nothing. Feels like it's tight. So what I think is happening, and these batteries that you get for these flashlights are specially extended or capped or set up so it will hit that inside ring, that little spot in there. This little plastic spacer does come out, but you really don't want to remove that. So what I have in mind to do, here's a small flatter neodymium, I guess it's pronounced, magnet. And what I want to do is crack it in half and set it on top to get it to touch the inside of that, and hopefully make a connection and get this to work. Okay, so I got my cutter, and I don't need a big piece, but it should stay on there. Now the problem with this is that this is going to fly, so I need, oh well, never mind. I was going to put a cup over it. These things, I guess they break pretty easily, so let's go ahead, pull any little tiny pieces off. Any strays, and let's put it dead center, and that should be, as a matter of fact, let's, being that cracked up so well, let me take some little corners off. Hard to handle. There we go. Don't need that. That might do it. Or it might not. I think that will do it. Well, that's pretty darn good. So let's just go ahead and see what we've got. My oh my. So you don't have to buy the special batteries, and it is a quite bright light. It says it's 10 watts. Probably 8.5 or 9, but it is quite bright. And that's going to be perfect. So let's see how it fared. Stays right there. Fits right in there. So the flattest neodymium magnet you can find, and just tap it on there and you're good to go. You don't have to buy those special other batteries, and then you can charge these back up. And when you change out the battery, just take that off, put it on the new battery. Just that easy. And you don't have to buy those expensive batteries that they sell for these. But make sure it says 18650, because that's what you want to use on these batteries. Okay.